The current assignment requires meticulous care. Are all preparations complete?
Yes, I believe everything is in order, though I still feel a slight tension about it.
You always worry too much, dear sister. Just focus on what you know.
Worry is natural, but action defines us. Even in the oldest memories, that truth remains.
Indeed. Discipline and precision are what guide us through any trial. I will strive to meet expectations.